Future AI Review. Hey content creators, marketers, and anyone looking to seriously level up their online game. Welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest tools to help you thrive in the digital world. Also, I have more than $8,000 worth of bonuses waiting for you. In this video, we will go through different OTOs, the one-time offers for the new FutureAI launch. Imagine having a creative powerhouse at your fingertips, capable of conjuring stunning 8K videos, captivating animations, realistic voiceovers, and even AI-powered marketing bots, all from a single, incredibly affordable platform. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. Today, we're taking a deep dive into FutureAI, the groundbreaking platform that's making this a reality. If you're tired of juggling multiple subscriptions and want to unlock limitless creative potential, you need to see this. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you'll be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. So let's cut to the chase. FutureAI is being hailed as a first-of-its-kind AI application that leverages cutting-edge technologies like Kling and Runway ML to transform your ideas, text prompts, and even your voice into a vast array of multimedia content. We're talking about a unified dashboard where you can generate high-definition videos, engaging animated stories, lifelike AI avatars, original music tracks, and compelling visual designs. It essentially consolidates the power of numerous specialized AI tools into one easy-to-use system, designed for everyone from beginners to seasoned professionals. Now, let's see the demo of the FutureAI and understand how it works. I hope you understand how the FutureAI works now. Now, let's see the OTOs, the one-time offers as well. FutureAI front end for $17. Also, if you want to read all the features of these OTOs, just click the link in the description below. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $37. Second OTO is Pro Edition for $37. Third OTO is Done For You Edition for $62. Fourth OTO is Autopilot for $27. Fifth OTO AI Templates for $47. Sixth OTO Traffic Hub for $27. Seventh OTO AI Fortune for $97. Eighth OTO Agency for $77. Ninth OTO Reseller for $67. Lastly, the 10th OTO is Giant Bundle for $147. Listen, if you're serious about creating impactful content, saving valuable time and money, and unlocking a new level of creative freedom, you absolutely need to experience FutureAI for yourself. For a ridiculously low one-time price of just $14.95, you're getting access to a suite of tools that would normally cost you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars annually. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Click the link in the description below and grab FutureAI now. Start creating the content you've always envisioned and leave your competition in the dust. This is the future of content creation, and it's here today. Get FutureAI now. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.